This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Frontier. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a limited slip differential, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, 3-point seat belts for all seating positions, air conditioning, full power accessories, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.